Hello everyone. In this video I'd like to show you how to set up grade setup. This is something you're going to need to do if you plan on giving a semester exam or want to weight categories. And I'll give you an example of that in a little bit. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on the correct year. You will be using 2010-2011 school year. For this demonstration I'm going to use 2009-2010. So make sure that you're on 2010-2011. Very important. Then you want to select the class that you want to set up, and for this video I will be using Advanced Algebra and Trig class, so I'm going to select that course. Then I'm going to go over to Grade Setup and click on the Grade Setup tab, and it should get to this window. Now this should look like yours, and what we want to do is we want to set up the semester first, so I'm going to click on S1. The current semester we're in, actually double click on it, and you will have this window open up at the bottom. What I want to do is, if I'm going to be giving a semester exam, I want to click on term weights. If not, you can leave this window as is. But I'm going to set up a semester exam at this point. So I'm going to click on term weights, and I'm going to tell the computer that I want my semester to be worth 80% and my exam to be worth 20%. So the 80-20 as per the grading policy. So I'm going to hit save, and now what I've done is I've just created my semester 1 exams and term 80-20. I can do the same thing for S2. If I double click on S2, I can do terms, and I can say the same thing because I know in semester 2 I want to do 80-20 as well. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to quickly do the 80-20 there because I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, we need to also set up how the semester is going to look. If you want to run total points and all the points are going to be the same throughout the semester, you don't need to go any further in this video. However, if you want to weight your categories for some reason, you will need to take the following steps. Double click on T1, which was where we're at, and you want to go to category weights. Now, I'm going to add some of these categories. I'm going to select 3 of these over here, and I'm going to say add category. And I'm going to say I want to add knowledge, skills, and understanding. And once I say knowledge, skills, and understanding, I want to say OK, because these are the things I want to weight. And because of I want to weight knowledge as only knowledge assignments, I just want to be 10% of their overall grade. The skills, I want those assignments to be weighted at 30% of their overall grade, but the understanding assignments I want to be weighted at 60% of their overall grade. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to press save, and I'm going to do the same thing because I want the exact same setup for term semester 2. I'll hit categories, category weights. I'll add those 3 categories, knowledge, skills, and understanding. And then I'll go through the same process, so 10, and this is 30, and this is 60. I'll hit save once more, and now I should be set up for the entire year. Now, if you would like to copy this to another class because I want another class or all of my classes to be set up this exact same way, what you need to do is press copy, and you want to say not just term 3, not just T3, but I want my entire class. I want to copy this entire class, and I want to copy it to my other advanced trig class. I also want to copy it to my IB Studies Mathematics and my other section of mathematics. I'll hit next, and it'll give me a summary of what it's going to do. I press finish, and now if you want to see what you just created is if you went to your other classes, once it gets done saving, if you clicked on your next class, what you would if you double click on semester, you'll see that that's set up as 80-20. Your knowledge, skills, and understanding are all set up, and that's as easy as it is.